Yo, I'm DJ Milkshake, and this is Castlelite's new ride, the Ice Truck. Before we carry on, you can select a scene, do it, or wait 5 seconds, do it, or if you wanna, you can subscribe to the Castlelite channel. Do it, do it, do it. First of all, this truck is tricked out, frosted, dropped, lit up, and behold, the coal blasters. The Ice Truck's got a whole lot of tech, like this twerk-activated vending machine. You just turn on the accelerometer belt, turn up the heat, and unlock an extra cold Castlelite. No, that's not how you do it. Now that's how you twerk for beer. Miley's got nothing on her. Now for an extra cold beer, let's head over to the Chill Blaster. But first, a bar fridge? Now for turbo refrigeration. Stage 2 cold. Now that's speed. Next up is my personal favorite. No, wait, not that. This. Now we're talking sound, and this machine can perform on any track. To top it all off, the snow cannons, CO2 blasters, and the lights can all be controlled via Twitter. All you need to do is tweet Castlelite SA and hashtag Extra Cold Summer. Told you so, the Castlelite Ice Truck is the world's most refreshing truck. Coming soon to a bar near you. Visit castlelite.co.za to find out when. Come on guys, just subscribe to the Castlelite channel. Just to subscribe? Subscribe.